Hi everyone, it's Simon here, and I just want to talk to you today about our ArkkZ unit. Who is this unit for? This unit is for anybody who does not like drinking their tap water because of the smell of it or the overall quality of their tap water. Now, you may already be buying bottled water because of that. This system is perfect for people who are buying bottled water. This is a reverse osmosis water system that's bringing your water back to pure H2O, getting rid of all the chemicals, the inorganic minerals, the metals, any sediment that's in the water. So any fluoride, chlorine, lead, aluminium, any pharmaceuticals, microplastics, anything that's in your water, the ArkkZ will remove it. And how a reverse osmosis system differs from ordinary filters is that it's like a little factory underneath your sink. So what it's doing is it's putting pure water to one side and it's sending the dirt down the drain, and it's not actually holding on to that dirt in the system. So what that does is it makes sure that you're getting pure water all the time and making sure that the filter is working at its full capacity at all times. This system is what's known as a direct flow reverse osmosis system that will give you 800 gallons of pure water every day from a tap. It's like no other. It'll slide in underneath your sink and it takes up minimum space. So the ArkkZ unit comes as standard with a single lever tap. This tap is where you would use all the water for your cooking, drinking, washing your vegetables and boiling your kettle. Everything will come from that single lever tap, ensuring that you're getting water that is toxin free and healthy. If, however, you do not want the single lever tap, there is an option to upgrade to what's known as a tri-flow tap. A tri-flow is where you have hot and cold water and filtered water all coming from one tap, but the filtered water is coming through a separate channel and does not get contaminated by the ordinary hot and cold water. So in order to service this system, every year we would recommend annually that you change your filters. Now, this may need to happen before that if you have really bad quality, but what we find from 99% of our customers is every 12 months is suffice. How do you change the filters? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is you twist the cartridges, and in 3 seconds you can remove the old cartridge and you can put in the new cartridge. There is also what's known as the reverse osmosis membrane, which is the second cartridge on the system. This membrane should get serviced every 2nd or 3rd year depending on your quality of your water. So if this system is something that you're interested in, there's nationwide installation. A technician will come to your home and install the system. We have been in business for over 20 years and we have over 2,000 5-star Trustpilot reviews.